What is wrong on this video? This has almost killed my parrot. You already can see what has happened, but I would like to tell you the whole story behind. We ordered a nice closet with a special place for the cage of our bird. And in the corner of the closet, we placed a special camera with a wire. This is actually really nice, so we could keep track how our bird is doing. Is she safe? Does he have enough food? Or just during vacation also talk with her. So one day our bird was just enjoying herself, walking in the cage, and see what has happened next. She started eating the wire, and in a few minutes camera will stop working. Luckily everything is alright with our onyx, so she just stopped eating the wire by herself, and we have placed a protection glass in her cage. Don't forget to like our video and to subscribe.